Hello, Cookeville. I'm Councilman Chad Gilbert, and welcome to this week's Cookeville City Update. As most of our community knows, the weather in our region can change rapidly, especially during storm season. Heavy rains can roll in quickly and overwhelm our streets, our yards, and sometimes even our homes. Cookeville is no stranger to flash flooding, which can happen with little warning. And while we can't control the weather, the city is taking active steps to reduce the risk of flooding through improved stormwater management and infrastructure upgrades. We've been investing in projects that expand drainage capacity, replace aging culverts, and reduce the pressure on our flood-prone areas. It's helpful, but no system can stop every storm. That's why flood insurance is still such an important part of protecting your home or business. The City of Cookeville participates in FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, which means every property owner and renter in the city limits can purchase flood insurance even if you reside outside an identified floodplain. And here's what many people don't realize. Regular homeowners and renters insurance policies don't cover flood damage. If water enters your home from the outside and you don't have separate flood coverage, you're likely to have to pay for those repairs out of pocket. Flooding can happen anywhere, even in places you might not expect. If you live in a lower risk area, you might qualify for a preferred risk policy, which offers low cost protection. If your risk is higher, coverage can cost a bit more, but can also be a financial lifeline when you need it most. Since 2014, Cookeville has achieved a Class 9 ranking on the NFIP's community rating system. This means we have exceeded the minimum standards of voluntary floodplain management for our community. This enhanced rating allows our residents to obtain flood insurance at a 5% discount. If you're not sure about your risk or you want help getting started, our planning division is a great resource. They can help you look up your flood zone, talk through options, and point you in the right direction. You can also learn more on the City of Cookeville's website. As a city, we're doing everything we can to lessen the impact of flooding through infrastructure improvements, planning, and ensuring our residents have the option to purchase flood insurance. But protecting your home with flood insurance is a step only you can take. Flooding will always be a part of life here in the Upper Cumberland region, but financial devastation doesn't have to be. Flood insurance is often more affordable than you think. It's available due to the city's partnership in the NFIP, and it could save you thousands. Thanks for joining me on this week's Cookeville City Update. We'll be back next week with more news and updates from the City of Cookeville.